Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download YouTube thumbnails on your iPhones. Really easy and simple to do. All you have to do is head over to your YouTube application first, just to choose a video that you want the thumbnail from. So just go to your library or to any video on YouTube and just click on one of the videos that you want to use. So I'll just click on one of these videos of mine right here. So all you want to do is click on the three dots to the right of the video, and it would open up this right here. All you want to do at this point is just click on share, and then you want to copy the link just so it copies the URL of the video. Then you could exit out of here and head into the description below. I'll have a link to this website right here for you guys. Once you're on here, you just want to scroll down and you just want to go to where it says YouTube URL. Click on that and just paste the link that you copied. Then click submit. And we'll just give it a second to load up here. It's just searching the thumbnail and downloading it for you. And once it loads up, you can just scroll down on the website and you'll see the resolution right here for this picture is 1080. So that you could either download this one, but if you want a smaller resolution, you can go ahead and download these other ones. But all you have to do is just hold on it, and then it will pop this open right here, a bunch of stuff, or you can just click on it if you're on a different phone, and then you have an option to either save or add to photos. So I'll go ahead and click on add to photos. And then if you exit out of here and head over to your photos, you'll notice that the picture is right here, the thumbnail. So it's that easy. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial and showing you how to do this. If it was helpful to you, just be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.